everyone, my name is Miss Cami, and for those of you who don't know me, I work in Miss Meg's room. Today we're going to do a super cool arts and crafts activity where we're going to go outside and find anything around the house or in your backyard, like sticks or grass or anything like that, and collect a bunch of materials and bring them in, and we're going to make our own picture using everything that we find from outside. Come on, let's go. I'm using this bucket that I found in my basement, but if you don't have a big bucket, that's okay. You can use a bowl or even just collect things in your hands. This next step is completely optional, but I'm going to paint my background first. So I used acrylic paint, and I found a canvas that I had at my house and some paintbrushes, but you can use any kind of paint, you can use any kind of paper that you have. And once again, you don't have to paint it first if you don't want. You can just glue the materials right onto the paper. After your painting's dry, get your bucket and take out some of the materials that you gathered while you were outside and put them on the table and try to figure out what you want to make. You can be creative. I think I'm going to make a tree, but you can make whatever you want. You can do something outdoors, or you can do an animal or a car or a train. You can do anything that you want. Get creative. Now it's time to glue everything down and make your picture. I'm going to be using a hot glue gun because that's all I have at my house, but you can also use squeezy glue or a glue stick, but make sure if you do decide to use a hot glue gun that you have an adult or a parent do it for you because it's very hot and can be dangerous. Okay, and I'm done. I hope you guys have so much fun doing this craft. I know that I did, and I would love to see the finished product if you do this, and send your pictures in so we can see. Thanks. Bye, guys.